peeing.
We're at IKEA and this is how she is.
Look, purple.
I have to put up with this every single day.
I see you peeing.
Wow, that was
Leave crystal balls. All these parties that fall. Look into the past. One night stand. One night stand. Oh, one more time. Thanks for the memories, even though I went so away. It tastes like you only stars. One night, yeah, one more time. Thanks for the memories, thanks for the it
text message.
tastes like you, even sweeter. No, it's not text. I pressed the button.
Oh, no, it was mine.
In the form of crunchy number.
I'm not seeing anything I like here.
Nope. Get me out of my mind.
I have to deal with this
And
all the
get me
time.
out of those clothes. I'm lying away to get into the mood. Whoa.
What the hell was that? Surprised you didn't screech.
Here's your light. I love this light. You did too. I like this light.
Is that pink or purple?
I like that one, and I like the pink one.
Is that pink or purple?
I actually like these ones. Hey, look at these ones, Al. Look at these long ones. Alex. Yes?
Purple!
She found her purple.
See, that was my peak. Oh, what's his name?
Here's your panels. Don't let me get in your way, all right? Thanks.
I wouldn't want that.
No, that's ugly. I think we're done. I like that one.
Nah. We have a picture like that.
No, we do not have that picture. We do not have that picture like that. We don't have that picture like that. That was a total butterfly moment. Yeah. Oh, how? What the hell?
It's sandstone.
Blue sand.
Or you could make it into a candle holder.
Red, purple.
Mauve?
No.
What's mauve?
No.
Why? What are these?
Decorative. Look, Alex, a blue ball.
Decorative seal.
A blue ball.
Hold on. Blue ball.
Oh, hold on. Purple.
Hold on. Purple and red ball.
Oh, you're in serious trouble at that point.
If you've gone from blue to purple to red, you're in serious trouble.
You're screwed.
Well, wouldn't it really go to red, purple, and then blue?
Only you're the one that's trying to decipher that. I don't know. Maybe you should ask someone. Well, you know there is an actual representative for sure. I'm like, yeah.
Because I tried getting Sarah to go, but she was there. She's like, what? I'm like, you should ask one of these 12-year-olds how old they actually are. She's like, probably like 15, 16. I'm like, but they look 12. She's like, this is true.
What the hell was that?
That's
That's your version
Fall
of
Out Boy.
screaming?
That's my Fallout Boy fake voice. I wouldn't buy that.
I wouldn't buy that idea. That's pretty ugly.
I'd buy that because it's purple.
More purple.
I like purple. You know what I was telling Dad?
No.
I was telling Dad that when I get my own house, it's going to be all purple. All different shades of purple.
Okay, keep in mind this is the same girl that told me to paint the downstairs basement bedroom.
It's purple. No. I said purple in the first place when we were choosing out the color. And you and Jennifer were like, no, we're not going to have purple.
She wanted black.
2 hours later.
She wanted black.
2 hours later.
Yeah.
You know what color we got? What color we get, Mother?
Heffalump purple. You know, like the
Heffalump, like on Winnie the Pooh. I'm Heffalump. My name's
Heffalump purple.
Lumpy. My name's Lumpy.
My name is Lumpy.
It's like a lilac purple.
Yeah.
But it's pretty. Anyways, my entire house is going to be purple. My husband can have his little den area. But that's the only non-purple. We're going to have bath towels, soap.
Okay, where are we at?
Almost at the exit. At
Okay.
IKEA.
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 Okay.
I got a good picture of my house.
Yeah. You gonna say goodbye?
Bye.
All right, guys.